Hello everyone, I am Dilaneha Reddy Tumuru and today I will be presenting a web-based resume for myself created using HTML and CSS. This video will cover the structure, styling and key elements of the resume. Let's start with an overview. This project is a single HTML file combined with a CSS style sheet. The purpose is to create a visually appealing and well-organized online resume. Let's first review the HTML code followed by the CSS code to ensure everything is structured and styled correctly. HTML document is divided into several sections: doc type declaration and head section. This part includes the doc type declaration, language attribute, metadata for character set and viewport settings, the title of the page and a link to the external CSS file. Coming to the body section and resume container, the body contains a div with the class resume which acts as the main container for all the resume content. The head section includes my name and contact details. The header is styled to have a background color and white text centered for emphasis, as you can see in the output. Coming to the sidebar and main content, the main content and the sidebar are defined using the flexbox layout for a responsive design. Main content section includes the skills and educational background, each divided into subsections with headings and lists. Sidebar section contains links to the professional profiles, languages known, achievements and certifications. As you can see in the output, this is the main content and this is the sidebar. In sidebar, there is a link section, languages known section, achievement section, certificate section. Let's have a look at the link section. Link section provides hyperlinks to various professional profiles. The links are wrapped in the list items and unordered lists for easy readability and accessibility. Language section. This section lists the languages known by me, also formatted with list items and unordered lists. Achievement section. Achievements are listed here. Each item clearly separated for highlight significant accomplishments. Certification section. This section lists certifications including the course name and institution. Let's look at the CSS code. CSS code contains global styles. This part sets a global font family, margin, padding and background color for the entire document. Coming to this part, it sets the resume container with a width of 80%, a maximum width of 800 pixels, centered with your auto margins and white background, a subtle box shadow for depth and padding for spacing. Header styles. It styles the header with a background color, white text, padding and a center text alignment. This part removes the margin and sets the font size for prominence. It adds small margins for spacing. Content layout. It uses flexbox for layout with wrapping enabled and a top margin. These two apply both the padding to both the main content and sidebar. This sets a flex grow value of 2 and a right border. It sets a flex grow value of 2.5, making it slightly wider than the main content. Now let's have a look at the section styles. H2. The main section headings are styled with a blue-gray color, a bottom border of the same color to underline the text, and a padding bottom to create space between the border and the text below. This makes the section headings stand out and clearly divides the content. H3. The subheadings are styled with a lighter blue-gray color and margin settings to provide spacing above and below, making the subheadings distinct from the main content. Lists. In this, unordered lists are given a left padding to indent them from the left margin, improving readability. In this, List items are given a bottom margin to create a space between each item, making the list easier to read. Now we are done with reviewing the both HTML and CSS code. Let's have a look at the final output. Here is the final output. We have seen how the combination of HTML and CSS can be used to create a clean, organized, and visually appealing resume. The HTML provides the structure, while the CSS adds styling and layout management, enhancing the user experience. This example demonstrates the effectiveness of using modern web technologies to present professional information in a clear and accessible manner. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this detailed explanation has provided proper understanding of the code.